video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Thursday. We are getting after it today, and I'm very excited to get into today's news. Donnie T might be speaking in a few moments at the Digital Asset Summit in New York, produced by Blockworks. So if he ends up going live while we're live, we're going to play it. And then we have Ripple that may have an IPO after their case got dropped yesterday. We're going to get into Ripple as our project spotlight today. We also have news in other countries, plus the SEC. We have a few things going on with crypto exchanges, so we're going to get into all of it today. So if you're ready for the Zest, the news, the education, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share the stream out, friends, so more people know what's going on here. And I'm excited to get into today's news. I feel like the camera is a little too high. It looked different before I went live, but it's okay. Say good morning to me as I say good morning to you, and check out our two amazing sponsors of the show, Cake Wallet, Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off. Let me see if I can alter this. There we go. That's a little bit better. Yay! We have denim on today. This is a new outfit, so you guys could let me know if you like it. Let me know if you like it. All right, let's get into the Zest. I want to say good morning to everybody. Let's say good morning. Let's say good morning. And let me know if the camera looks good today. Let me know if the camera looks good. I was fiddling with it a little bit. TK, nice to see you. Welcome. We have Great Gazoo. We have Bow. Hello, Bow. Chipper, Alexandra G, my G with a $10 super chat. Thank you. Appreciate it. We got Silver Days. We got All Set, Haven. Let's see. Chris Klein, Dogebowl, Joe Harvey's, Jerome, good morning. We have Black Hat, as always, good morning to you. We have Jesse in the chat. Nice to see you. Bobby F is chilling. Aquarian Abundance, good morning. Rob C, M2, JC, nice to see you. We have Lasers. Let's see. Crypto Surfer, Yukio's over there on X. True, good morning. Crypto Ace on X, good morning. Donato, good morning. Double O, Richard Barry, Crypto Farmer on multiple platforms this morning. Elric Elrose, East Bay 24K, X Vendetta, Crimson on X. Isaac, nice to see you. Verhoofty Floof, Shadow, good morning. Let's see, we got Ivan Hernandez. Poeman, good morning. Let's see, do we have more? We have more. Grandpa, good morning. Crypto Trucker Mike, good morning. Crypto is always my favorite subject, he says. Go off, thank you. All right, let's get after it. I'm very pumped. I'm pumped. In the moment, good morning. Hi, everyone. Smokey Dan, or AI Music Wizard. Thank you for joining. Appreciate you. All right, guys, we're going to get after it this morning. We have a lot to cover. Is my hair too crazy? I probably should have taken care of that, too. Thank you, guys. You guys like the denim today? You guys like the denim? Are you fans of the denim? F-bomb, are we bullish? Are we bullish on the denim? All right, guys, let me know. Someone said something about a tan. Love the tan on news. Oh, listen, we're getting after it. We're getting after it. There's sun out here where I live. I love the sun. Right, Stu? Good morning. Backup kid, I missed you. Oh, shoot. Sorry. Good morning, Backup. Nice, nice to see you. All right, guys. We're going to get after the news. Two brave dress choices. Brown followed by denim. Thank you, Zools. Thank you. Listen, like we get after it on this podcast. We're not afraid to go a little bit crazy out here. We're not afraid to go crazy. You were thinking it looks very 80s. When I was in the store and I was looking at this, the girl, like, I tried it on, and the girl in the store was like saying that I should get it because I have the brown curly hair and the denim, and she said it goes together. I was like, oh, okay, got it. Cyberman, good morning. All right, we're gonna get into the market recap, right? Aquarian vibe, hello. All right, let's get after it. Let's get into the market recap, then we're gonna get into our headlines. We have Tell, that's up 13%, Kava up 6.5%, Bonk making a little bounce today too, Cake up 5%. We do have a lot of altcoins, majority of things in the red today, unfortunately. Though Bitcoin started to make a nice little comeback this morning, we hit a high of around 87K. Now, we do see that we're at $85,511, up 1.5%. The 200-day SMA, look, we closed above it yesterday at around 86,000, high 86,000, almost 87K. Though our wick low is right above this 200-day SMA. Guys, we want to stay above this 200-day SMA and look at $90,000, $91,000 Bitcoin. That is our bullish scenario. If you are bullish, let's see those rocket emojis in the chat. We want to see rocket emojis. We also want to see you guys subscribe and join the channel and become members, because we are going to have a members only after show tomorrow. Listen, if we reject this 200-day SMA, we're looking at 76, 77K, a lower range of 73,000. Now, we are seeing that we have a green dot print. It's still playing out, the momentum about to cross the zero line here. VWAP is pumping, though we're not really seeing that reflect in price at the moment. A red money flow is still wiping us. And we also have the RSI that's sitting here rejecting the neutral, the 50 line, and going back into the bearish end of things. So I am hoping that we could see a bullish RSI come about here. Shall we set a goal? I think we're going to set a goal right now. I feel a goal. We're going to do all colors, timer. We'll do 30 minutes. You guys pick tomorrow's outfit. Since we have a lot of excitement about this right now, let's pick tomorrow's dress and see if we could get that goal done. Okay, there we go. All right. What are we agreeing on short term, Brian? What did he say? A dump is coming? Listen, we'll see. We'll see what happens. But I'm always bullish on Bitcoin. Price go up, price go down. Doesn't matter to me as long as we stick with our fundamentals. And if we hit 100 likes, you know I have a Newsmax clip from yesterday. Newsmax. I was on Newsmax debating Bitcoin. Is it a store of value? What's going on with interest rates, all of these things. If you want to hear my Newsmax hit, smash the darn likes. And also go smash the like on the hit itself, because we like to look at that and make sure that we can share that with everybody so people know we're on national darn TV. All right. Hello, Wrong again. Nice to see you. Smash the like, subscribe, share. Breaking news headlines start now. Woohoo! Firstly, guys, Donnie T is going to speak at the Digital Asset Summit, according to reports. His speech will mark the first time a U.S. president has ever spoken at a crypto conference, according to the Blockworks announcement. Jason Yanowitz from Blockworks said, when we started Blockworks, we could barely get someone from a bank to attend an event. Now we have a sitting U.S. president addressing a 2,500 institutional participants. It is incredible how far the industry has come. So let's see what happens here. I'm bullish. We're gonna see if we could get Donnie T up on the stream. However, I am looking at the live right now.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you.
A pastel orange. Springtime.
Oh, I have an orange. I have an orange dress. I do. I have an orange one. So we could see if we could get that going. I'll put it as an option in the poll if we get the goal finished. But this is the live stream for the Digital Asset Summit. Hold on, am I sharing my screen? Yes, I am. Maninja, thank you. Thank you for gifting a membership. So we do have the Digital Asset Summit that is live right now. That is the live stream. So we're going to see if we could catch Donnie T on there. I'm going to be watching it on my other monitor. Guys, we do have a goal of 19,410 subscribers. 3 more. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. John Shanks is saying, what's up? I'm chilling, right? You always are. As we get into the next headline, we're going to go internationally to Pakistan for a moment. Pakistan is eyeing legalizing crypto or having a legal framework for foreign investors. They're developing a legal framework for crypto in an effort to attract international investors to the Central Asian nation. The Pakistan Crypto Council CEO Bilal bin Saqib told Bloomberg, Pakistan is done sitting on the sidelines. We want to have regulatory clarity. We need to have a legal framework that is pro-business. We want Pakistan as the leader in blockchain-powered finance, and we want to attract international investment. He said 60% of the population is under 30 years old, and we have a Web3 native workforce ready to build. Yeah, if you have young people in your country, darn, you should get them working in crypto. So that's smart of them to do over in Pakistan. Oh, Brian said one amazing zesty month. Yes, I agree. Trump is speaking today about crypto. Yes, apparently he's going to Digital Asset Summit, and he's going to be addressing that conference and talking about Bitcoin and crypto. Hopefully that happens while we are live. Again, I'm currently looking at the stream, and I'm going to see...
Enterprise ready, they need to meet.
Yeah, he's not speaking yet. This live stream started about an hour ago, but I'm sure it's going to blow up. It only has like 36 likes right now on X. That's definitely going to change. Definitely going to change. All right, next headline. We have Coinbase. We're going to talk about Coinbase with their ETH. Coinbase, we see that they have the largest Ethereum node, or they are one of the largest node operators for Ethereum with an 11% stake, and they actually just sold a fat bag of Ethereum, 12,652 ETH to be exact, in the fourth quarter, according to Standard Chartered. Coinbase sold 12,652 ETH at around $25 million at the current price in the fourth quarter, when it was valued about double the level now, according to Geoffrey Kendrick, the global head of digital assets research at Standard Chartered Bank. In a note, Kendrick said he analyzed the crypto exchange's quarterly filings, which now show it holds ETH under different categories, including investment and operational purposes. He estimates that about 80% of the revenue generated by Base, Coinbase's Ethereum Layer 2 blockchain, is profit. Notably, the timing of the company's trades aligns with price movements, he said. Coinbase net bought in the third quarter when ETH was trading around $2,500 and sold in the fourth when the second largest cryptocurrency reached about $4,000. It's again now half. But again, it seems that they bought and then they sold when it was high. So good trading on Coinbase's end. Though people aren't really that happy about it with their large node operator stance with, again, an 11% stake. In a performance report, Coinbase said it had 3.84 million ETH, worth around $6.8 billion, staked to its validators. The exchange said that as of March 3rd, it holds 11.42% of total staked ETH. Anthony Sassano, host of the Daily Zest, said, I really like that. I really like that title. Said that Coinbase's stake makes the exchange the single largest node operator in the network. Sassano added that while the staking platform Lido is bigger as a collective, each node operator has a smallish percentage share. We see here that Coinbase validator uptime and participation rate is around 99.75%, so almost that 100%. They also shared that it exceeded its target for validator uptime, which indicates the percentage of time when validators are operational. It also had a large or similar figure for its participation rate, a metric that indicates how well validators perform their consensus duties. They reported that its validators had an average uptime of 99.75%. Coinbase said they outperformed their target of 99% uptime without compromising security standards. People, they get our fees. Coinbase is racking in that cash, man, and they're smart for doing it. You can't say they're not. Oh, yeah, you know what? We'll have the exchange. We'll make fees off of everyone's trades. And then you know what? We're going to go and run our own validators and make money off of that, too. Smart. Smart. We have 20 minutes left for our goal here. Listen, guys, I know you guys always ask me what I own. I never get into what I own, to be honest, because I'm not trying to, oh my gosh, she's trying to do this, she's trying to do that. Nah, man, nah. I'm going to pass on that. Good morning, everyone. Everyone smash the like, subscribe, and share this out with friends.
The sound check.
Baby, it's a sound check.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
We're going to keep talking about crypto exchanges. The next one is Kraken. They're close to buying a futures platform called NinjaTrader for a fat bag of $1.5 billion. Kraken is getting after it, according to the Wall Street Journal, which I take everything the mainstream media, especially the Wall Street Journal, whatever they say, I take with a spoonful of darn salt. Because as we know, the Wall Street Journal put out fake news last week, or was it the week before? I think it was last week, where they were saying, oh my gosh, the Donnie T family is going to go buy a stake in Binance US and part in CZ in exchange, when that was literally all fake news. But
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're
Pump it
welcome.
up. Double exclamation mark emoji. Double exclamation mark emoji. Double exclamation mark emoji.
Thank you, Jesse. Appreciate you guys. Guys, 20 minutes left. 3 more till our goal. Let's get it. Shout out to Jesse. Appreciate you. Kraken going to maybe near that $1.5 billion deal to get futures platform NinjaTrader. The deal could be a way for the exchange to move into another asset class and increase its users, according to the report. It added that Kraken could announce the deal as soon as Thursday, and NinjaTrader would remain a standalone platform under Kraken, and neither platform responded to comments. So we're going to see what happens regarding Kraken, but them expanding their business, again, always a smart move, especially if it's profitable. It helps them out, and yeah, we need to see more marketing, though. We need to see marketing from all of these exchanges. Again, guys, we reached that goal. You guys picked tomorrow's fit. So we have Solana, guys. Oh, freaking boy. Guys, do you want me to replay that Solana commercial in case you guys missed it? We have Solana that had this very controversial commercial that people were quite upset about. And the Solana's CEO broke silence over the controversial ad, saying, I am ashamed. Is he ashamed? I mean, who knows? This is the latest. Hold on. This is loading. Why is it not loading? Okay. Co-founder Solana Labs even said, the ad was bad and is still gnawing at my soul. I am ashamed. And I downplayed it as I was just calling it what it is. Mean and punching down on a marginalized group. I am grateful for the ecosystem devs and artists that immediately called it what it is, both publicly and privately. You are the only silver lining to this whole mess. I'll do whatever I can to make sure Solana Foundation stays focused on its mission of decentralization and open source software development and out of culture wars. Interesting. Interesting. Do you guys want to see that commercial again? Some haven't seen it. If you want to see the commercial again, put a 1 or a yes emoji, 2 or no emoji, and then I could play it if anything. But I don't know if I even should because it's controversial. Donnie T again. I know you guys are putting comments all over TikTok. Literally everybody. I am watching the live stream right now out of the corner of my darn eye. Donnie T's not on yet. He might be on by 10:40 Eastern, so in like about 30 minutes. 30 minutes. And if I play the video, TikTok will not hear it. TikTok hears absolutely nothing. You have to go to YouTube. So please go to youtube.com/missteencrypto right now and subscribe, because we have a goal of 4 more subscribers for this show. Let's get it. We want to see it. All right, a lot of y'all are saying... People are saying yes, no, yes. Let's see. Let's see if I could grab that commercial. After that, I don't think I'm ever going to play it again, just so y'all are aware. Can I find it? Is it here? Let's see. I don't even have it. Where did it go? All right, if I can't find it in the next 5 seconds, I'm going to ditch it. Okay, this is the commercial. Before we get into more Solana news.
So, America, what's going on?
Well, lately, I've been having thoughts again.
What thoughts?
About innovation. You know, multiplanetary travel, nuclear energy, crypto, AI. You know, things that push the limits of human potential.
What you're experiencing is called rational thinking syndrome. Why don't we take this energy and channel it into something more productive, like coming up with a new gender?
But that's not gonna stop me thinking about innovating and doing something.
Innovating, doing, these are action words, verbs. Why don't we focus on pronouns?
That's not gonna help.
I sense some cynicism. Have you been betrayed in the past?
You know, I used to think the media was my friend. Can I even trust them anymore?
Of course.
Of course they'd say that. That's a biased take. I got canceled for saying 2 + 2 is 4.
Have you ever considered that math is a spectrum?
What?
America, numbers are non-binary. We've been conditioned to believe that 2 + 2 is 4. It's a societal construct.
It's literally math.
Or is it a dominant narrative? Have you been practicing the state-prescribed regulations we talked about?
Yeah. I've debanked some crypto founders, and I've slowed down nuclear reactor approvals, and depending on my state of mind, I change the SEC guidelines, but I don't like it.
If we don't regulate, how will we create jobs for people who work hard to make businesses slow?
You know what? Hard work, innovation, rational thinking, it's in my blood. It's who I am. Railroads, factories, automobiles. I built the future once, and I won't be left behind now. I will lead the world in permissionless tech, build on-chain, and reclaim my place as the beacon of innovation. I want to invent technologies, not genders.
Lovely. So glad you were able to get some of that negative emotion out. Sounds like we'll need a few more sessions. When can I see you next?
You're fired.
Yeah, so they just wanted to, yeah, that was their ad. Okay, so I know you guys wanted to play it, so there you go. All right, let's get after it. We're going to keep moving on with more Solana news. I'm looking at the live stream right now, and I have more news on Ripple as I am looking through X when that was playing. So cool. Okay, now we're going to take a look at more Solana news. Solana. Thank you, guys. Guys, I had to mute YouTube because I sneezed. I have such bad allergies, and I couldn't mute TikTok in time. And they were like, bless you, thank you. I'm like, thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, guys, we got Solana futures. The first Solana's... Oh, my gosh, I can't even speak. The first Solana futures ETF is going to hit the market this week. 2 ETFs tracking futures and Solana are coming to the market on Thursday, which is today. According to the filing with the SEC, Volatility Shares LLC is launching 2 ETFs, the Volatility Shares Solana ETF, SOL-Z, which will track Solana futures, and the Volatility Shares 2X Solana ETF, SOL-T, which offers leveraged exposures. Sol Z will have a management fee of 0.95%, while traders will be charged 1.85% for Sol T, according to the filing. These will be the first ever funds tracking futures in Solana, which is at a market cap of around $66.5 billion, the sixth largest crypto on the market. The token is up 6% over the past 24 hours, in line with the broader crypto market. The launch of these funds could be significant in the approval of a spot Solana ETF, which would hold the token directly. The SEC stated in the past that in order to approve a spot product, they likely would have to see an established futures market for the asset. So that's pretty interesting. I feel like that's almost a little bit backwards. However, Solana, we're going to take a look at the price because it actually is rejecting that level over here of around 135. We're sitting at $130 Solana, down 3.27%. Bullishly, again, you want to pass 134, 132, go to 168 or 169. Bearish level to watch here is a $109 Solana. As you can see, there has been a steady decrease in volume here regarding Solana. You can even see the money flow is the lowest it's been in quite a long time, back here in June of 2022. Though we have a green dot printed pulling up that momentum, bullish VWAP that is looking pretty good. And then we have the RSI that is chopping it up but steadily moving upwards as well. So we would like to see if we could at least target that neutral at any point soon. But being that the first Solana futures ETFs are hitting the market, that's very important for the broader crypto ETF or trad space, I should say. Let me check in on that live stream again. Solana. Okay. All right. Still no updates. Still same panel. All right, we're watching out for Donnie T, guys. I know that's what you want to see, and I'm trying to do that for you, man. How many likes do we have? Do we have 100 likes? I want to play my Newsmax hit on the show. We have 98 likes. Oh yeah, pump it, guys. If you get 100 likes, I'm gonna play my Newsmax. Right now, we're gonna get into our project spotlight, which is XRP. So let's get after it. Your project spotlight starts now. All right, guys, we have XRP, where the Ripple case got dropped yesterday, causing XRP to soar over 10%. We are retracing on some of those gains today. We are at $2.51. We're down about 1.48%. Again, yesterday we were bullishly targeting that 275, which is our golden zone. Bearishly, we're looking at 183. Money flow picked up just a little bit. Green dot printing on the momentum, bringing that on up. It's bullish with that VWAP, and the RSI is slightly bullish as well, even though it's tipping down just a little bit. Now, John Deaton commented, he was one of the lead lawyers on this case. He said the SEC dropping the Ripple case is a final exclamation mark that XRP is not a security. He said that there is still a $125 million judgment against Ripple over the improper selling of XRP, which perhaps the company can negotiate down now that the SEC dropped the case. But here's something that I found interesting, that Charles Gasparino from Fox Business made a comment regarding this. And he said, with the recent price surge in XRP...
You're welcome.
Oh.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're
Smash
welcome.
the likes.
Thanks, Poe. Guys, we have 8 minutes to complete our goal. We're 3 out of 5, thanks to Poe. He said, with the recent price surge in XRP, the net worth of Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple's CEO, is around $10 billion, making him one of the richest people in the country. And yet, why hasn't anyone seen a public filing from Ripple about just how much the company makes? Ripple is a business after all.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Subscribe.
Thanks, Poe. Ripple is a business after all, in the trad sense. It is not a blockchain experiment. That's going to be a key question for Paul Atkins in the SEC on the Ripple case going forward. Retail trading of XRP passes the decentralization test, according to the SEC, but there's no doubt it was used to build the Ripple platform, which is a business. Under securities laws.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're
Dress.
welcome.
And we shall pick it. Thank you, Poe Man. Under securities laws that usually mandates disclosure of financials. This could come up during Atkins confirmation next week from someone like Liz Warren, who does know security laws, I am told. So that's actually a good question. Put those XRP emojis in the chat as we discuss this. How much does Brad Garlinghouse own in XRP? What about the other executives? How much XRP do they own? Then we have Ripple as a business. How much do they make? Who are they really working with? Now, here's the thing. Apparently, XRP may be in a national crypto reserve or a digital asset stockpile. Now, the Ripple CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, is confident of XRP being included in the digital asset stockpile and says an IPO is possible. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse sees closely related XRP as part of the White House's proposed digital asset stockpile and anticipates the launch of an XRP ETF before the end of the year. His optimism comes after the resolution of their long-standing battle with the SEC, which concluded yesterday. Garlinghouse said XRP was named by the president of Truth Social. He said there's going to be a Bitcoin strategic reserve and a crypto stockpile that will include things like XRP. Oh, shoot.
We need more options, hopefully help.
Oh, darn. I need more options? Say less. Thank you, Paul Man. Freaking send it, Paul Man. Everyone put rockets for Poe. Put rockets for Poe. Shoosh. Pump it up, Poe. Thank you. Darn, man. Now, the Ripple CEO says he also foresaw a wave of XRP ETF approvals in the second half of the year, noting a growing list of over 10 applicants pending with the SEC, like Bitwise and Franklin Templeton. Then the IPO, he says, I have immense confidence in the ETFs, pointing to the success of the XRP ETPs outside of the US. Meanwhile, a Ripple Labs IPO isn't out of the question either. He says something is possible. It isn't a huge priority. XRP, again, up over 10% in the past 24 hours. And so, very interesting, very, very interesting. And then we have XRP whales making moves. XRP whales boost their coin stash by over 6% to $46.4 billion in the past 2 months, according to blockchain data. Now, data tracked by Sentiment shows crypto wallets holding at least 1 million XRP has boosted their stash by 6.5% to 46.4 billion XRP, which is around $114 billion in the past 2 months. Network activity has also boomed, with the 6x more unique wallets interacting with the network in March compared to earlier months. Seems like someone knows something. Someone knows something. Black Hat, a member for 13 months, says it's the first day of spring. Yes, it is, and I love that. I love that it's spring. Pamp it up for spring. That's the latest on XRP. Do you guys want to see my Newsmax from yesterday? I was on national TVs yesterday. I want you guys to go and smash a like on this. Sorry, my allergies are so horrible right now. The pollen is absolutely whack. All right, guys. Do you guys want to see the Newsmax hit? Let's see Newsmax in the chat, and then we're going to do coins to watch and then pick dress. Right, Irish G said, hope you and the family are well. Thank you, Irish G, a member for 14 months. Holy wow. Let's write Newsmax in the chat. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Newsmax. Newsmax. Guys, I love that it's spring. Thank you for the reminder, Black Hat. It's spring, guys. It's spring. Guys, 3 more likes or 3 more subscribers until we hit our goal for today. Let's get it. All right. Let's get into the Newsmax. Let me see Newsmax in the chat. I want to see Newsmax We need a Newsmax emoji. That's facts, though. That's actually facts. Okay, guys, here we go.
Time for the Crypto Corner. As we were covering earlier today, the Federal Reserve held its bi-monthly meeting today with Chairman Jerome Powell announcing the Fed's decision to keep interest rates unchanged. In his speech today, Powell also hinted at the future possibility of rate cuts later in the year. They're still trying to get the inflation rate to their target of 2%.
That's right. A little bit. And what could be positive news for crypto investors? The central bank also signaled an end to its current quantitative tightening policy. Now, the shift would allow more money to be printed, increasing liquidity in the financial system, potentially benefiting Bitcoin and other crypto assets.
Joining us now to weigh in, partner and co-founder at Flynn Zito Capital Management, Doug Flynn, plus crypto educator and the host of the Daily Zest with Randi Hipper. Randi Hipper, good to see you both. Randy, I want to start with you. Could this be good for crypto, everything that you heard today?
Absolutely. And we have to remember that Bitcoin is meant to separate money from states. And the more they print fiat currency like the dollar, the better for Bitcoin. Just showing the more dollars are out there, the more you want something that has a finite supply. And remember, Bitcoin only has 21 million that will ever exist. And the states know that. And that's why the states even want to invest in it.
Doug, what do you think? What's your read here?
Yeah, I think no news is good news with the Fed. Cutting, because this Bitcoin and other crypto is a risk asset. Risk on comes in when you're going to get the Fed cutting and sort of the animal spirits rising again in the market, which kind of have waned a bit. And so if they're tightening, not good news for crypto because it's more of a risk off situation. But so it's sort of nowhere right now, but we're looking down the road 6 months, get on the other side of the tariff issue in April, and maybe you could see that risk on trade and lowering interest rates, and then that's a big plus for Bitcoin and other crypto for sure.
Randy, it sounds like to me that one of your favorite things to protect against inflation is cryptocurrency.
Absolutely. Again, we need something with a finite supply and something we own. Even senators from different states are saying that Bitcoin is a way to have and protect people financially because we're just printing our money away and devaluing something that people work their entire lives for. Why don't we actually want an asset in our portfolios that, again, is finite, we actually own, and no one can take away or devalue?
Tell me, Doug, about what this quantitative tightening is. We mentioned what it can do, but what is it? And again, remind us why it's so important for that to be ending.
Yeah, so I mean that started in April of like 2022, where they started tightening, and that's to reduce liquidity in the economy, and that's to kind of tamp down inflation. So as inflation is waning, and they're getting closer to the goal of it being 2%, whether that's a year or two from now, they don't need to do that as much. They can sort of stop doing that. They don't need to ease, which would push money into the system. That could cause inflation, and you do that when things are slowing. So we're just slowing down the tightening, and that's a good thing, and then let's get away from that. The one thing I will say about the inflation hedge of Bitcoin, gold and Bitcoin are acting sort of inversely right now. You're seeing gold at all-time highs, and Bitcoin has not reacted. It's quite a bit off its high, so it's not really acting like a hedge like you'd want it to be. It's really more of a risk asset as of late. Now, maybe that comes back around later on, but right now it's not acting like the hedge that it maybe was at one time and maybe will again.
Randy, your thoughts on that, it not keeping up with gold?
Bitcoin is the best performing asset out of the last 15 years. And the one time Bitcoin is hitting highs when Bitcoin isn't, doesn't mean Bitcoin's not a hedge against inflation. I think it's the best hedge against inflation. Again, it has an actual finite supply when we don't really actually know the finite or capped amount of gold that will ever exist. It could continue being mined.
Final thoughts, Doug.
Yeah, I mean, look, all currencies and things like this aren't investments in the true sense of the word, from the standpoint of they don't have earnings. There's no profit per se. It's speculation and should be treated as such, and it definitely has a place in your portfolio. But you need to invest accordingly like that, because it's not like it's going to sell anything to somebody else and create some earnings. It's just you hope that down the line you can give it to somebody else for a much higher price than you have right now.
All right. Very good advice from both of you, Doug and Randy. Thank you.
Thank you.
And stay with us, because the second hour of America.
Okay, guys. Well, I don't know how you felt about that one. Let me know. Let me know. All right. Don't come after poor little Doug. Don't come after poor little Doug. He's a good dude. He's a good dude. Let me know how you feel about Newsmax if you're bullish on Newsmax. So that was the latest on that. That was the latest on the Newsmax. All right, guys, we're going to continue getting after it. Moving on, we're going to get to our coins to watch, and then we're going to pick the dress, and then, yeah, that's what I got for you. All right, coins to watch starts now. Yippee! Gainers, we got Kava up 6%, Bonk up 5%, XDC up 4.8%, Bitenzor up 4.74%, and they get 4.5%. Losers today, Optimism down 3.3%, Maker down 3%, Curve down 2.9%, IOTA down 2.9%, and OKX down 2.9%. Looking at our charts really briefly, we went over Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still sitting around 86K. We're looking at Litecoin, $92 Litecoin. Bearish level to watch is, again, trying to hold our support at 90K. We're looking to pass a $90, what the actual? $90, and then pass the 200-day SMA at 94, and then looking at $97 Litecoin. We are down around 2% now. As the momentum is still building, VWAP is pumping too. And then we have the money flow still moving on up as well. Looking at the RSI, chopping it up, but again, a steady increase to the upside here. So I kind of like this. This is a nice little uptrend for Litecoin. So if the RSI continues to build, I'm gonna like that. I'm gonna continue enjoying that. Wait, what happened to my YouTubes? What happened to my YouTubes? Okay, there we go. I lost my YouTube. He even said, thank God you didn't go to college. That's actually really funny. We have Ethereum sitting at $2,000. Again, your bearish level to watch is 1820, 1830. We want to hold support at 2K. And look at 2160. Right now, we're down 2.75% as the money flow is still deep in that red, but increasing along with that momentum post-green dot. VWAP is looking pretty decent right now. And then we have the RSI that's still moving on up. So, but it is moving a little bit to the downside, but it slowly but surely increasing. We can look at Coinbase. I should have looked at the stock before, honestly, M2. That was a little silly of me. Let's look at Coinbase. Guys, I'm so sorry if I don't sound good. I'm so sorry. Like, these allergies are killing me the past week or so. Okay. Coinbase is $192 today, up 1.39%. We're looking at $199 or about $200 Coinbase. That's a psychological level. Bullishly, we want to pass this 200-day SMA at $233 and look at $254 Coinbase. Bearish level to watch is 155. A green dot has been printed, moving that on up with that momentum. Money flow is spiking to the upside as well after being in the red. Again, levels we haven't seen since back here in October of 2023. And we are looking at that RSI that is increasing as well, slowly but surely after being oversold. So maybe the selling pressure is relieved. Maybe, we got some movement now on Coinbase. Shout out to No French Toaster invested. We're all getting through the pollen. The pollen is nuts. So you walk outside, all the cars are freaking yellow out here. You haven't seen the worst of it yet. Get ready. I mean, it is brutal. It is brutal. Especially yesterday morning, I was walking outside before the show and everything, and they were mowing lawns out there. They were mowing the little patches of grass we got here, and I was like, oh boy, I'm actually just like dying. So Hefe, good morning. I'm looking at the Blockworks thing. Still no Donnie T. Hopefully we see something in the next few minutes. Caspa, we could do some Caspa. Let's do some Caspa. And then I'm going to go get some options for the dress. Okay, so we got Caspa, 7 cents, almost 8 cents, 0.079 cents, down 3.3%. We want to hold right here, which is your 8 cents just about. Bullishly, we're looking at 9. And then again, that 11.5 cents has always been a problem for Caspa. Bearish level to watch is over here at 5.25 cents. Money flow is a low, man. We're not doing too great there, although we have a green dot that's having the momentum shoot on up. VWAP is pulling back a little bit. And then we have the RSI that is just battling this neutral level, but tipping into the bearish zone as of right now. But your levels to watch are holding 8 cents, bullish is 9, and then you're looking at a 5.25 cent Caspa. Oh, Bao is back. Hello, Bao. Hi, Bao. Everyone say hi to Bao. Let's see. Sola Hefe says wants 100K. I want 100K, right? Keen Bean. Tony Trump said, I like the blue jeans, pump up Bitcoin. Listen, guys, are we bullish on the denim? I love this. Like, I haven't worn it yet. This is the first time I've worn it. I mean, I got it recently. So, yeah. Where to watch Digital Asset Summit Trump speech? Well, hello, my friend. This is where you're going to watch it at Blockworks over on X. They're verified, have the gold check mark. They have the live stream up right now. So I've been watching it throughout the stream to see if Donnie T was going to be on. Rumored it's supposed to be on in 5 minutes at 10:40 a.m. Eastern. So, yeah. All right, guys, give me a moment because 80s theme show indeed. I mean, yeah. Super 80s. People are saying it's so 80s. I mean, like, I have the other denim dress, too, that I really like. But I saw this, and I was like, oh, my gosh. Especially because I got it, like, a month ago around my birthday. And I was so excited. I was like, yay, birthday. Okay. Let me get my AI music. Let me get my AI music real quick. And I'm going to play that while I go get some options for tomorrow. And then we'll get after it. Okay. Let's play a different one. Chilling Beats. Is this good? You look better than Paul Manwood. That's actually just crazy. That's actually just nuts. Okay. I'll be right back. Guys, we got some options in this show. Okay, hold on. All right, let's end this poll. Let's get a new one. Q. Oh no, not Q&A. I want a poll. Thank you. Okay. All right. Dress for tomorrow. We have orange. Hello, orange, flowers, and then black. Okay. Leo Bardo, thank you for all the roses. Hello, friends and family. Okay. All right. So, oopsie. This is the black option. Never mind the tag. But this is the black option. It's really cute. And it's like, I really like this one. Ooh, my little hanger. Whoa. Guys, I'm too clumsy for this. I'm actually like too clumsy for like life. Okay. Number one. Oh, well, the black option. And then this one. This one I think is super cutie patootie. This one's super cute. I really love this one. It's so nice. This one is your flower option. And then this is the orange option, since it was requested that orange be included. So, honestly, none of them have pockets. Does the black one have pockets? No. This one has a pocket, but like, yeah, this one actually has one pocket. So orange, flowers, and black. So if you guys have about 2 minutes. So let me know which one. I'll leave them hanging here for about a minute so you guys could see the colors or something. I don't know. My mic stand is definitely taking a hit with this one. But yeah, let me know which one you guys want, and let me check in. Wow, orange is soaring today. You guys usually don't pick that one. I throw it in every once in a while. You guys don't even pick it. Oh no, my YouTube rugged. Hold on, come back. No. Guys, we also have 119 likes. Can we get 125? Just wear Jesus. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if I could really top this with all that, but you know, I really like those. Okay. Hedge your address. Bow just comes in here to start trouble. Like, Bow comes in here to start trouble. Like, that's absolutely it. This one is new, and this one is relatively, yeah, this one I also got at, like, the same day, so that's also new. The orange one I've had for a few years now. The black one I've had for about a year, so that's that. But yeah. So that's, never seen you in orange. It's a Bitcoin color slipping. Oh, darn. Okay. He's Geo's twin. No. Bow's not on the level of Geo, okay? Like, Bow's, like, popping in. I know Bow, IRL. So, like, I know that, like, he's just popping in to start, like, say something and then hop out because that's what he does. Geo honestly does the same thing. So maybe they are a little similar like that. Okay, guys. Yay. All right, let's check in with the stream. Let's see if Donnie T's on. Where the... Okay, well, Donnie T's not on. It's 10:40. He's supposed to be on now, supposedly. Like, we don't really know for sure. Some people are actually saying that it's a recording of him and he's actually not going to be there, which I feel like Donnie T likes to be there. You know, Donnie T likes to talk his ish. So I'm going to say he'll be there. All right, we're going to close the vote. We have 50 votes in the poll. We got orange for the win. All right, orange is the winner. The other ones don't even come close. So let's, so orange is the winner. Put those Bitcoin emojis. Maybe they're the same person. I know for sure that they're not. I know for sure that they're not. And if Geo heard you say that, he'd be so offended because Geo's all about being in the spotlight. So, all right, orange for the win. I got to remember to wear it tomorrow. Oh, gosh, guys, crazy. But overall, we've had some good stuff going on. We are bullish. I am bullish, super bullish on Bitcoin. I'm super bullish on life. And, yeah, I'm very grateful. And I appreciate every single one of you guys. Let's see if we have 125 likes yet. 128. Oh, yeah. Thank you, guys. Clap for all of you. Woo-hoo! Can you really be sure, though? Wow. So is Bow, guys, let's put it in the chat. Is Bow and Geo, are they the same person? Are they the same person as we play the potato song? Are they the same?
A potato flew around my room before you came.
Bow and Geo, are they the same person? One or yes emoji, two or no emoji. I gotta text to Geo. Or maybe I'm already talking to Geo because it's Bow, so who knows? Randy and Wendy, two of the best crypto educators. I love Wendy. Wendy's my mom. I love Wendy. Shout out to Crypto Wendy-o. Absolutely love that woman. She is my mom. And Lo is my sister. So that's my fam right there. Shout out to Mama Wendy-o. Virtual remarks for Trump. Oh, JC, can we celebrate 19.4K subscribers? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Every milestone is worth the celebration. Darn, I'm so happy that we're a community, man. We're a family, and I am so excited. If wrong, I guess like I'm me, and that's what matters. You guys are too funny. I'm actually, oh, my face is so red. Okay. Yes, tomorrow we have an after show for members of the channel. So if you are a member, join, connect your Discord to the YouTube, or the YouTube to the Discord, one of those functions in the Discord app to connect the YouTubes. And then it'll scan that you are a member. So become a member, join the after show. I am so pumped. And yeah, let's get after it. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Tomorrow we are going to rave if we had 150 likes, and only if we hit 150 likes. Because if we don't, no rave, period. Bow plus Geo equals bougie? M2. Oh my gosh, I can't. You guys are so funny, dude. Like, I actually just can't. You guys are too funny. You're making me laugh. All right, guys. We're going to rave tomorrow if we had 150 likes. We're also going to do an after show for members only. I appreciate you so darn much. Yeah, 149 doesn't count. True. And guys, watch out for the Trump stuff. If whatever happens, make sure you're following my ex, because I will, like, yeah, my x.com, so that way you guys can go and get updates from me on the latest news. I also post shorts on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and sometimes X if it's relevant enough. Ninja, thank you for pulling out that membership and giving it to Tantana, Montana. Wow, the pointing, we're in trouble. Yes, you're in trouble. And if you don't smash the like and subscribe, no, I'm just kidding. I'm not going to get threatened anybody. This is all a happy show. But thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Smash the like, subscribe, share this video, and have a beautiful day. Happy Thursday. And I will be back tomorrow, as always, for the Daily Zest, Monday through Friday at 9:45 a.m. Eastern, with an after show for the members and a rave at 150 likes. Much love to every single one of you. And stay zesty. And put on some denim today. Peace.